Hi guys, it's Curtis here again. Welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I talk about crypto at the moment, but I also speak about other investments and how to make money, how to save money, and so on. So I've got quite an interesting story here. Um, it's possibly some more news about Mr. Elon Musk. So Tesla has publicly announced that they won't be accepting any Bitcoin payments due to environmental reasons. We know, guys, that Bitcoin doesn't have that much of a negative impact on the environment. Most of Bitcoin's mining is renewable sources, so and that will only continue to get better. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. There's plenty of banks and fiat money that take up so much more environmental resources. I think of all the plastic that money's printed on and paper. It's not good for the environment. Um, but yeah, I think Bitcoin is better personally. Again, this isn't financial advice in any way. But yeah, so as Bitcoin has been dropped from Tesla, what could take its place, guys? What could take its place? You know what? Could it be XRP? This website, and there's quite a few people talking about it. XRP is meant to be the greenest crypto out there. Whether or not that is true, I couldn't say for sure. Um, but you know what? That's gonna do pretty good for XRP, and one of the reasons why I invested in it a few days ago. So I know XRP is having some issues at the moment, but I really do think that there's a lot of hype about it at the moment, and it could do quite well. It is a front runner. Also, there is news about Elon Musk working with XRP to improve the currency. I'm not sure how true that is, but it's something to consider. I hope to see XRP rise by quite a bit. I do hold it in my own portfolio. Sorry, it's just loading. Um, oh yeah, that is something I do own. I only own a little bit due to the court case, but it is something that I do own, and it is something that is in profit for me at the moment, just barely. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Do you think Elon Musk will get involved with XRP, like he said he would with Doge? Do you think XRP is better than Doge? Yeah, if you could like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. I'll release some more content. Um, yeah. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye.